Okay, good morning, students. Lovely to have you guys out today. So I'm doing this video because I would like to have an asynchronous session with you guys, as today I have meetings that won't allow me to attend class, right? So let me share my screen and get into what is required for you guys to do today, right? And this will mean that you will have to end up submitting on your Google Classroom for this session, right? So today is the 1st of October. The topic today will be possible solutions, right? The objectives will be to identify two of the best solutions from the research that you have done, right? Based on the features, right? After that, you want to select the most appropriate solution for Mark Jackson's situation. And this will be up to your discretion. And probably out of your research, you'll choose the best one because it will give him a lot of advantages, right? That's the one you're going to choose. Those are the two you're going to select. Well, one of the most appropriate. You'll choose the most appropriate one out of the two, right? And then after that, you're going to be working together in your groups to make your presentation for the chosen solution, right? Now, your own individual portfolio, as I said before, earlier in the term, the chosen solution does not have to be the one that is chosen in consensus in your group meetings, right? It could be, or it most likely may not have to be so. It's all up to your discretion, right? So in your Google Classroom, let's get to that. So let me go over there. Google Classroom. Right, classwork section. Let's see. Right, so I already seen one person turned in their stuff, right, which is good, commendable. Right. So when you scroll down to the chosen the research section, I did some examples here already for you guys. Right, so you all should have a head start as to what you want. Now these are examples here. You don't have to use them, right? Or you might well want to use them as a head start because you just have two more to do, which is 4 and 5. And you're getting into possible solutions. These are what you're going to look for. You're going to state, you're going to select 2 out of these 5 on top here in research. And you're going to put the title, copy and paste the description that you have with the features, right? You're going to put your annotated sketch here and the rationale. The rationale is your advantages and disadvantages. And then you're working on your chosen solution, right? I want you to finish up to your possible solutions. I want you to finish up to here and submit, right? So you're going back to your Google Classroom. You're going to click View Assignment, and a new screen that pops up, or a new page that pops up, it'll have a facilitator on your right-hand side of the screen, that new screen, to submit or hand in your document. But remember, when you're handing in your document, you're not leaving it titled aquarium example or portfolio. No, you're going to name it with your name. So let's say you were Amrita Nandlal. You say Amrita Nandlal aquarium portfolio, right? Or if you were Josiah Ali, you'll say Josiah Ali dash aquarium portfolio, right? So that's how you're going to name it before you submit it, right? So I won't open that because I want to keep that personal work private, right? And well, obviously I will direct you all accordingly to come and access this tutorial video on this page here, right? So that will be it. I need you to do those submissions for me before the end of the day, because remember, I need something to mark for you guys for midterm, right? So that'll be it for this tutorial video. I hope everybody will stay productive and indicate present at the end of this video as a comment, right? So say for instance, this is a tutorial video you could leave a comment at the bottom of it here, right? So you say comment and you put present. Yeah, just like this one, right? So please do so. I'll mark your present and I'll be looking forward to seeing your submissions before the end of the day in this area here. Your assignment, new page, hand on the right hand side. Okay, take care. Goodbye, guys.